You kept me soft, you kept me small. A painted smile, a paper doll. You liked me best without a voice, like silence was my only choice. I learned to bend, I learned to fade, to be the girl you never named. But something restless in my chest was never yours to lay to rest. I swallowed storms to keep you calm. Now there's lightning in my palms. I'm a little bird with big teeth, singing sweet while I bite deep. You can cage me, you can try, I will tear it from the inside. I'm a soft sound, I'm a scream, I'm the crack in your belief. You thought love would make me weak. I'm a little bird with big teeth. You dressed me up in innocence, like I was yours by accident, a fragile thing you could outgrow, but never let me fully know. I wore your words beneath my skin, like they were truth, like they'd sink in. But every lie you handed me became a sharper melody. You built your world around my fear. Now hear me louder in your ear. I'm a little bird with big teeth, singing soft but cutting deep. You can hold me, you can lie, I will break it from the inside. I'm a whisper, I'm a scream, I'm everything you couldn't keep. You thought love would make me weak. I'm a little bird with big teeth. Oh, I was gentle like the dawn, but you kept pushing till it's gone. Now every feather hides a blade, every soft thing turned to rage. I'm not the girl you left behind, I'm every truth you couldn't find. You tried to quiet what I'd be. Now listen while I sing. I'm a little bird with big teeth. Now the whole world hears me sing. You can cage me, you can try,